Okay, so this is our second video on elimination, where we have to manipulate one of our equations. Okay, and we're going to start it the exact same way with labelling them 1 and 2. Okay, now we're just going to have to analyse it to see which equation is going to be the easiest to manipulate to then allow us to eliminate. Okay, we want to try and keep things as concise as possible. Alright, so it's not always going to be y that we eliminate like we did in the last video, maybe x. Okay, and if we're looking at these 15 and 2, the lowest common multiple of these two numbers would be 30, so we'd have to manipulate them both. Whereas if we look at 10 and 1, the lowest common multiple of those would be 10. So it's going to be easier to multiply this equation by 10 with the intention of eliminating x. Okay. So our third equation is going to be 10x minus 20y is equal to 10, and that's equation 3. Okay, so now I have my three equations with 1 and 3. Okay, but they are both positive, so we looked the other day when our values were both positive or both negative with the same symbol, we had to subtract them. So it's going to be 1 subtract 3. So 10x, take away 10x is 0x. We then have negative 15y, subtract negative 20y. So that's going to be the same as negative 15y, add 20y, which is positive 5y. 25 take away 10 is 15. So y is equal to 3. And that's our first solution. We then sub y equals 3 into our choice of 1, 2 or 3, and I'm going to go into 2 again. Actually it's swapped out just smaller values, so I feel it might be slightly easier. So x minus 2 times 3 is equal to 1. So 2 times 3 is 6. We've got a negative in front of it, so that's going to add, so x is going to be 7. Okay, and I'm just going to do a wee check explicitly here, just to remind you how we can go about it. Okay, so let's take equation 1, and that's going to be 10 times our value of x minus 15 times our value of y. 10 times 7 is 70, minus 3 times 15, which is 45. 70 take away 45 is indeed 25 as required. And that's just a wee side note that you could do to check that it does in fact satisfy the equations. Okay, if we can now try the worksheet provided. Hopefully not too many issues with this one. Still fairly straightforward, just building on what we have been doing.